Hi Fred, this is our quick video that we wanted to make for you on operating this machine. You can see these, the cable binders. These are how we secure them back to the load backrest on the forklift. If you're using it on a larger forklift or an off-road lift, you can hook it up the same way. You can see how we have it hooked into the fork pockets on the side. That is an okay way to do it. There's nothing wrong with that. We have added forged steel eyelets that we can hook into, but I'm sure yours doesn't have those, so I just wanted to do that. So as far as securing it to the machine, that's pretty simple there. You had asked about the antifreeze and the fill. This machine is slightly different than yours. It's a little bit older model, but yours has this fill up here where that cap is, and that's the main fill whenever you're first refilling the machine or if it's been drained for maintenance. Yours has an aluminum tank down here that has the clear tube on it. Ours has this, and this is the engine coolant inside there. The dipstick is the yellow handle on the other side of the machine. You've already found that, and I believe now you have which oil to use. The 1540 diesel oil has all the stuff you want in it. As far as getting it up and getting it running, you have your main power switch. So this is your on and off for all the electronics to the machine. You flip that to on, and then you come over here and you get to your control stand here. Our gauges are a little foggy, so we apologize. This thing's been used a bit. And then your key switch is here. This is your key. If you turn it to the first click, you'll see your gauges move. I'll do that one more time. You'll see your gauges all settle in. So it shows that it's not running, so you don't have any engine temperature or oil pressure yet. It shows that you do have fuel, and it shows your electrical charge, a little over 12 volts. You had a question about the tachometer. When it was off, it was reading high. After you turn it on, it should settle down, or whenever you fire the engine and start that, then it'll go. You will also, whenever you turn it on, you'll hear something on the engine making a humming sound. That is this canister right here. That's part of the fuel system. It's an electric fuel pump that makes sure the engine's main pump has fuel pressure so it'll run. So once that switch is on and this switch is on, our machine right here has a different throttle handle than yours does. Yours has a handle that's up here. When you pull it towards you, and it has a little safety catch, when you pull it towards you, it will accelerate the engine and increase the RPM. Ours goes the other way, so just take notice of that. So you can see that part's very easy. Turn it on, your gauges will settle. Make sure your throttle position is at the idle position. Now typically, whenever we start it, we'll increase the RPM over the idle so it's smoother and it helps it warm up a little quicker. That's a good RPM to warm the machine up for a little while. After the machine's been warmed up and you want to do a test, you have a chart you have a chart that has your RPM, your engine RPM on it, and it has your corresponding inches water column, pound per square foot, or mile per hour on it. So when this reads 1800 RPM, lines up with that, it'd be 50 miles per hour. So let's run it up. Let's do 10 PSF, 63 miles per hour. So as you can see, it's fairly simple to operate the machine. If you're doing the testing, if you have any other questions, please email us and we'll be able to take care of it. So the rest of it should be in the manual or in the other stuff we covered. Fred, thank you very much.